What's going on, good people? Look, at first I was gonna do a course and break it down and all that, but I ain't gonna even do all that. I'm gonna get straight to the point and we're gonna run this down. I'm gonna tell you step by step how I got this 22,500 on my business credit. I'm gonna tell you how I got it in 5 months, flat out, straight up. You know what I'm saying? From October to March. And that's how long it took me to get $22,500 in business credit. First of all, let's start with your LLC. You have to have your LLC, you have to have your EIN number, you have to have your Dun & Bradstreet, and you have to have a business banking account. So Uline was my first trade line. I started this back in October. I got Uline. I bought some bags, some shopping bags from Uline for $100 for my store. And then I got, it's another one, it's a primary called BizCreditCentral.com. Biz Credit Central is a primary trade line which reports every month to the credit bureaus. It reports to Dun & Bradstreet, to be exact. It only reports to one. But Dun & Bradstreet is your main credit bureau, so it's good that it reports to Dun & Bradstreet out of all of them. So it reports, I pay them $11 a month, and they report $2,500 to Dun & Bradstreet every month. So when I started off with Uline and BizCreditCentral.com. One 30 net credit line and one primary credit line. And I did that for 2 months, from October to December. October, November, and December, 3 months, excuse me. At the end of December, beginning of January, I added 2 more trade lines. Those 2 were eCredibles Business and nav.com. eCredibles Business, I paid them $9.95 a month. It was a $49 setup fee. You can list your utilities on eCredibles. So the $9.95 reports to the credit bureaus and your utilities. So whether you put your Pepco, your Verizon bill, your gas on there, your business utilities report to your business credit bureaus. So that is eCredibles. So you have BizCreditCentral.com, $11 a month, and you got eCredibles Business, $9.95 a month. And last but not least, I added nav.com. nav.com is $39.99 a month. nav.com reports to all 3 credit bureaus. So I added those 3 primaries and that the Uline as the 30 net, and it got me up to $22,500 in 5 months time. So I do plan on adding more. I just found some more business trade lines I'm about to add, primaries, 30 nets. You got 30 net, you got 60 net, you got 90 net. You got to research these. You got tier 1, tier 2s. Right now we're into tier 1, which is 30 nets and your primaries. You know, like, so you have to research about business credit. Business credit, man, whether you want to branch off and do some Turo, whether you want to branch off and do some real estate, whether you want to expand your business and get more inventory, or you got to pay rent, or what have you, business credit helps you out. So with that being said, get you some business credit. Even if you want to open up a shell corporation or a business that you just name something, you're not going to do anything with it. You can open up this business and build business credit on it and use the business credit to do whatever you want to do. So business credit is better than personal credit. I even heard the guy on EYL the other day say he got an 800 personal credit and he can't get as much as he can get with his business credit, you know, in his personal credit, like, which is crazy. Like, so with that being said, get you some business credit, get you a business, get your LLC going, your EIN number, your Dun & Bradstreet, whatever you got to get, your business bank account, man. I'm telling you, like, it took me 5 months to run this up. And by the summertime, who knows where I'm going to be. Like, I'm going to give you guys an update, you know what I'm saying? But I got so much stuff, trade lines that I'm going to add. Like, I didn't have much capital coming in to add a whole bunch of trade lines. That's why I was kind of slow stepping it. But it's proven to be effective. You know, like the steps that I'm using. I did so much research on YouTube and just EYL and just, you know, it's so many people that are hip to this now, you know, that they're giving away the secrets. And I just wanted to give and pass it down to you guys, because I know it's so many people like me that didn't know about business credit, that didn't know how to get business credit started. You know, like, and once I found out about it, it's just like, yes, like I know for a fact I can run up $100,000 business credit and use this for whatever I need to do. If I need to fill my store up with some clothes, I'm gonna take that $100,000 and I'm gonna fill it up. If I need to go buy an apartment building or help me buy an apartment building with that $100,000 credit, that's what I'm gonna do. So with that being said, man, thanks for taking the time to view my video about this business credit. Thank you. I will have more videos coming soon about more business credit, about entrepreneurship in whole. Thank you again. Always continue to spread the love. And if you would like to get some of this good spread the love gear, man, www.icntapparel.com. Also find me on YouTube. Also find us on Instagram, Facebook, wherever. Type in ICNT Apparel. Thank you for joining us. Spread the love.